I think it's unfortunate that is there, but I do think that we live in a country where freedom of speech is something that we preserve and protect. So, well, I think this is hate speech. I think it's unfortunate that someone would want to put that up. I think it's their right to do so.
I think just sensitivities around the subways, considering that was, one of the targets considered by other terror groups in the past here in the city, it's probably a bad idea.
I have mixed feelings about it. I guess I'm going to say I'm not sure it belongs here. I'm not totally biased. I'm not fond of having it here. It's not something I would expect to see in the subway.
I think it's a terrible idea. It's going to spark controversy, obviously, when you deem one side savages and the other side civilized.